Hi guys, I'm back with a few set of notes that I've got graded by PMG this time here in London. Now, as you can see, these have been graded in various grades by PMG, and for grading each one of these notes, I had to pay £30. So that's quite expensive if you consider that these are pretty recent notes. As in, if these notes were minted in 1959, or rather put into circulation in 1959, as you can see over here. And the scale that they work on, as in PMG, if the notes are recent in terms of the year 1960, then each one would have cost me around £18 to grade. So a difference of £12 per note, because these were uh, put in circulation a year earlier. But I digress over here. Nonetheless, these were provided to me by a friend back in India to have them graded over here since I was visiting London. And as you can see, the grades range from 30 to 35 and not more than that. So I have pulled up the website of PMG just to showcase as to what the grading system is like. The maximum, I guess, it goes up to 70 star, and let's see where it begins. It begins at 4, so we are sitting right in the first 10 grades, I believe, first 10 or 15 grades. So 35 is choice very fine. You can check as to what each grade means, or rather one each of these grade means or signifies. I've got it graded for uh, 30, which is, I guess, very fine. But I've also got one which is graded 35, which is choice very fine. But if you see, if you traverse around the scale, you can see that there are two couple of notes in grade 40, and couple in 65, which is extremely fine, and 66 is like mint state. I'm not very well versed with these grading systems. My friend sure is, but this is how it works. But nonetheless, I've seen that after these notes are actually graded, I hope it is in focus. After each one of these notes are actually graded, their value certainly sort of significantly gets improved or gets raised. There's a raise in terms of value that you provide with these notes. So 35 is the note that I was speaking about, and these are these are very expensive as well. You might be aware if you happen to do some research on Portuguese India notes. They are very rare and very expensive, and there are limited collectors as well, so probably the market isn't that huge. So yeah, and this is the price position according to him. There are two notes which are missing, 600 and 300 escudos, which are extremely rare, but this in itself is a great note. 1000 escudos. It got graded choice very fine. Imagine if this is choice very fine, how much, what condition the 66 note would be in. So this is 30, very fine. And these were the notes, and I bought a couple of coins over here myself. These are as you can see, 1835 rupees, William rupees, and I've got them graded from NGC. Again, these are this one is about uncirculated 55, and this got a reverse scratched about uncirculated details. These cost me around £18 each to have them slabbed. Again, it sort of begins from 1 and it goes up to 70, I believe. Yeah, 70 is the maximum it goes up to, and we are sitting right somewhere here. about uncirculated 55. The same thing applies. You can verify the coins. They also post pictures of the coin over here on their website, and you can see as to where you stand in terms of the grade, as in like over here you can see 55, 14 coins are graded as 55, while there are around, I guess, 40 odd coins which have got a better grade than 55. So it sort of helps you evaluate as to what the value might be, and maybe in the future you might get a good deal out of it. So this was just a video showcasing as to what I've done after coming here in London. If you have any questions or any queries, please do let me know. I'd be more than happy to help you out with those. Please do hit the like button, and if you want to see more such content, please do considering subscribing to my channel. Goodbye for now, guys.